In this video, we will see how to set up video pop-up with Elementor in WordPress site. First, in WordPress dashboard, click Plugins and search for Pop-up Maker plugin and install and activate this Pop-up Maker plugin by Pop-up Maker. I have already installed this plugin in my site. Once the plugin is installed, on the left, click Add Pop-up tab under Pop-up Maker. Next, enter a pop-up name for the new video pop-up. Next, click Media icon and upload video from your computer. Next, scroll bottom to Pop-up Settings and enter a trigger for the pop-up. Next, click Trigger tab and next, click Add New Trigger. Here, select Click Open option and click Add button. Next, under CSS Selectors type pop-up and click Add button as shown here. And next, click Display tab. Under Pop-up Theme, select Lightbox. Finally, click Publish to save changes for the video pop-up. What you saw was the backend process for creating video pop-up. Now, let's head to the WordPress page. See how to set up a video pop-up with clickable image and clickable text. First, let's see the clickable image option. And in the second column, let's add the clickable image from the media library. Next, select the image container and next click Advanced option. Next, in the CSS classes field, copy the CSS class of the video pop-up we created and paste it here. And update the changes done to the page. Let's refresh the page and see how the video pop-up works. And we have successfully created the video pop-up with clickable image. We can repeat the same for button or text as a clickable link. Type in text and change the color and font size and alignment here. Next, select Advanced option and again paste the video pop-up CSS class in the CSS classes field and update changes. Refresh the page and you can see here the clickable text video pop-up works fine. I hope this video tutorial on video pop-up with Elementor will be helpful. With this, we come to the end of this video pop-up WordPress tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful. And subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.